बन सकता है।
The state government on Monday instituted a magisterial probe and an independent inquiry into the sensational Jowai jailbreak that took place on Saturday. Tabling a suo motu statement in the assembly, Home Minister Lakshman Rimboy said the district magistrate had directed P.K. Boro, additional district magistrate West Janta Hills, to conduct a magisterial inquiry into the matter of jailbreak. He informed that the additional superintendent of police West Janta Hills district has been entrusted to conduct an independent inquiry into the reasons and circumstances leading to the escape. Marshallam additional district magistrate has also been deputed to conduct an inquest into the mob clinching of the 4 escaped prisoners. The decision came a day after 4 of the 6 prisoners were killed by a mob of angry villagers in a forest area near Shangpong village in West Janta Hills district. It may be mentioned that one of the escapes were Ramesh Dakar, who was on the run, was apprehended today, and 5 staff of Jowai district jail have been arrested for lapses in duty leading to daring escape by the 6 under trial prisoners.
Suspected to be Sri Ramesh Dakar, and the person who is not in the probe is Sri Rikman Lamare, and the whereabouts of the 2 at present is still unknown, and the police is on lookout for them and on high alert. The additional superintendent of police West is entrusted to conduct the independent inquiry into the reason and circumstances into escape.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K.